Covered California estimates that 1.1 million Californians are uninsured when it comes to their health coverage. Now, many of those are eligible through Medi-Cal or Covered California, but they need to act soon if they want coverage in 2022.
One of the sad things we've all realized with the COVID pandemic is that life can change in an instant.
California became the first state to record more than 5 million known coronavirus infections, according to the state dashboard on Tuesday. With a suspected surge of cases estimated to come in February, Covered California wants to make sure the only bill on your mind is a bill of health.
You can't predict what is going to happen. If you end up going to the hospital and getting into the ICU, the intensive care unit, the average bill for that stay is going to be about $130,000.
Peter V. Lee, executive director of Covered California, says anyone without employer-based coverage could be eligible for health insurance through Covered California. According to their data, here in the Central Valley, this applies to an estimated 115,000 residents. For many of these uninsured Californians, Lee says coverage not only benefits them in an emergency, but encourages people to maintain preventative care.
Insurance is there so you can not need to go to the hospital.
But should you need to?
You got insurance, you pay a couple thousand. You don't have insurance, you're saddled with a big medical debt that's going to be hanging over your head for years to come.
Lee says the cost is dependent on location, but with a number of different providers throughout the Central Valley, residents could find coverage for less than $100 a month. Those interested in applying for coverage can explore their options with any of Covered California's licensed insurance agents.
What you're spending each month to have insurance. It may cost you something when you go to the doctor, but the less your income is, the richer the financial support is.
Now, Covered California's open enrollment period runs through January 31st, 2022. Those who sign up after December 31st, though, will have their coverage start on February 1st. In studio, I'm Veronica Morley, 23ABC, connecting you.